building European safe sport together. BESST. This project advocates for a comprehensive approach to promoting safe sports, ensuring they offer physical, mental, and social benefits while upholding individuals' safety rights. Today, safety in sports is threatened by transgressive behaviors which go beyond abuse, harassment, and violence. The sports community must adopt a holistic approach to address this, moving away from narrow categorization. Project BEST defines transgressive behavior as any misuse of power that undermines safety in sports. However, power dynamics differ as they evolve through social interactions. The sports community operates at micro, meso, and macro levels, each playing a crucial role in fostering safety. Unfortunately, transgressive behaviors pervade all levels of this community. Project BEST aims to embed safeguarding principles at every level of the sports community. It's important to notice how power affects how people behave in social situations. Society creates and uses sexuality as a source of power to shape and maintain behavioral norms. Exemplary of this is patriarchy, ascribing power to traditional gender roles, perpetuating inequality by linking power to masculinity. Cis-heteronormativity contains assumptions and privileges to heterosexuality and cisgender identities as the norm, and thus marginalizing individuals identifying as LGBTQ+. Racialization is causing individuals to be categorized and treated differently based on perceived racial or ethnic characteristics by assigning hierarchy to race. These all play a role in power dynamics. This can lead to some people feeling left out that break the norms contributing to safe sports. BEST's framework encourages thinking about how power affects transgressive behavior, emphasizing of proactive and reactive measures to ensure equitable access to safe sports. Working together is important for making safety a priority, changing the mindset about how power works in sports and how it should be utilized to create safe sports. Let's work together to set new norms and build European safe sports together. Our goal is to make sports welcoming and safe for everyone, no matter who they are.